Ladies and gentlemen, I'm As Prabhakar from the Daily Entertainer. Today I'm going to review the match between CSK and DC. CSK had a very bad beginning, losing Sam Curran for a duck, and he has not yet proved his worth as a batsman in this tournament till date. WC and Watson have studied the innings. WC played wonderfully well for his 58 runs in 47 balls. Watson has yet again proved his utility by scoring 35 runs in 28 balls. Raidu, who is showing amazing consistency in this tournament, made a quick fire 45 runs in 26 balls, hitting some towering sixes. Jadeja has played a cameo in making 33 runs out of 13 balls. The big push given by Raidu and Jadeja in the last 23 balls scoring 50 runs has made the difference between Chennai Super Kings ending up making 160 runs, ultimately making 179 runs. It is definitely a handsome score which CSK bowler should be able to defend. Coming to the DC bowling, all the bowlers have conceded over 8 runs per over, and except Axar Patel, who has kept his economy rate around 5.75 per over, though he could not take any wickets. Nokia has been with the most successful bowler, taking 2 wickets for 44 runs. And but DC bowlers have spilled too many runs in the last 2-3 overs, which may prove to be very costly for them if at all they have to lose the match. Let us see how DC is going to chase this total, or how Chennai Super Kings is able to contain DC batsmen who are in wonderful form. So, DC has a very bad beginning, losing Prithvi Shah for a duck, and Rahane also very cheaply. Rahane has not done anything significant till this point of time in this tournament. But Dhawan on the other side was stroking the ball very well and keeping the scorecard moving at a steady pace. He was given a good company by Shreyas, who has scored a run ball 23 runs. And but CSK has pulled the things very well in the last 3 overs, especially the 19th one bowled by Sam Curran, conceding only 4 runs when Dhawan was facing him in his 90s. Though Dhawan has scored his well-deserved century, it appeared as if DC may not make it, facing the last over, requiring to score 16 runs. Mm, Especially when Dhawan has taken one single in the first ball and exposing Axar Patel, it appeared maybe CSK can pull the things on their side. But Axar Patel had different ideas. Rather than taking a single and allowing Dhawan to score, he himself took upon himself and hit three towering sixes, all of which have hit the ball at bat at the middle, and he scored 21 runs in 5 balls and has seen DC crossing the line. As far as the bowling is concerned, Chahar has bowled brilliantly well in the beginning, conceding only 18 runs out of his quota of 4 overs, taking 2 wickets. Sam Curran, though a bit costly in the beginning, has bowled a brilliant 19th over, conceding only 4 runs, and almost turned the match in favor of CSK. But again, the decision taken by MSD will be debated of giving the last over to Jadeja in preference to old war horse Bravo. So Bravo would have been a better choice to bowl the 20th over. But whatever it is, now things are not going well for MSD. As a batsman, he's a shadow of his himself, and wicket keeping is also just above average. But such crucial decisions taken by MSD, which used to really, come good, are now actually going against him. This is one decision which he may regret, because they have reached a stage where it may be difficult now for them to make to the final four. As far as DC is concerned, they're sitting pretty well at the top and are almost through to the playing four. Then, in all probabilities, they may reach finals as well. So, this is all for today. I, S. Prabhakar, sign off. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Good night.